Escaping by the skin of your teeth, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, by the skin of one's teeth. This idiom is a great example of how colorful and vivid English expressions can be. It's widely used in both spoken and written English, so understanding its meaning and origins can greatly enhance your language skills. Let's dive in and uncover the story behind this intriguing expression. The phrase, by the skin of one's teeth, is used to describe a situation where someone narrowly avoids disaster or achieves something by a very small margin. It means escaping or succeeding only just or by the smallest possible advantage. There's no actual skin on teeth, which makes this expression a hyperbolic way to emphasize just how close the call was. Believe it or not, this idiom has biblical origins. It can be traced back to the book of Job in the Old Testament, where Job says, "My bone cleaveth to my skin and to my flesh, and I am escaped with the skin of my teeth." Over time, the phrase evolved into its current form, which emphasizes a narrow escape or achievement. To use "by the skin of one's teeth" correctly, it should be applied in contexts of narrow escapes or achievements. Here are some examples. I passed the exam by the skin of my teeth, with the minimum score needed to pass. She avoided the accident by the skin of her teeth, swerving at the last second. This idiom is versatile and can be used in formal and informal situations, though it tends to appear more frequently in casual conversation and storytelling. English is rich with idioms that convey the sense of narrowly avoiding something or achieving something by a small margin. Here are a few. By a hair's breadth also means to narrowly avoid disaster. By a whisker, similar to by the skin of one's teeth, it emphasizes a very small margin. Understanding these similar expressions can help you enrich your vocabulary and express yourself more vividly in English. We hope you found this exploration of the phrase, by the skin of one's teeth, both informative and enjoyable. Idioms like this one add color and depth to the language, making English a fun and dynamic means of expression. Remember, the beauty of learning a language lies in understanding these unique expressions and incorporating them into your own speech. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.